can't wait for you to meet my friend Sonar.
He sounds pretty cool.
Yeah, but where is he?
I think you are looking the wrong way. Sonar's home is under the water. Here's where Sonar lives.
Oh!
It's a beautiful day to come and play and learn a thing or two. With Bubbles and friends, the fun never ends. We're ready, how about you? Bubbles and friends!
Under the sea! Hey, team!
Izzy, Brayden, this is Sonar.
Hi, Sonar! Whoa! It's so nice to finally meet you! Bubbles has told me so much about you guys. I can't wait to show you my home.
Yay!
Whoa, so cool.
Isn't this great?
Everything's so colorful.
Your home is beautiful, Sonar. Thank you. The ocean's also home to lots of life underwater. For example, fish, coral, starfish, and even dolphins. Wow! Is that a jellyfish? Oh, no, that's just trash. Sometimes when people leave their trash on the beach, it finds its way into the water. So I do what I can to pick it up whenever I see it. Gotta keep my community clean.
Just like we keep Happyville clean.
Yes, we need to take care of the water so all of us down here can live safely and happily. Let's see what else we can find. Did you know that there is more ocean on the Earth's surface than land? Isn't that rad?
Do you need help, little friend? Oh no, you are stuck. I'll be right back. Team, over here! A fish needs our help!
His fin is stuck!
We need to free him from the can.
Okay, team. We'll lift the rock together, then Bubbles will take the soda can and free the fish. Understood?
Yes!
Lift! A little higher! Almost there!
It's still stuck.
We need to try it again.
Now, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3! Bubbles, grab the can!
You are free to go now, friend. Diving down deep, what do we see? A world full of creatures alive and free. Diving down the sea, what do we find? A world full of wonders, one of a kind.
I can see a huge turtle swimming slowly, and a friendly dolphin laughing below me.
I see a whale singing a song, deep and loud.
And an octopus dancing with a graceful flow.
We're the guardians of this environment and the keepers of this planet we're in. We're the guardians of this beautiful sea. We preserve our home for you and for me.
Back to the ground. I already miss swimming.
You are welcome to visit me anytime, team.
Of course. Thank you so much for showing us around.
Thank you, Sonar. And thank you so much for your help.